Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 13R, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access apps. Then click on Dual Apps and tap on the switcher next to one of your apps that you wish to clone. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, when I go back, my app was successfully cloned. You can also pick one of the recommended ones. Click on the switcher here, and then adjust all of the available options. In order to get rid of one of your clones, go back to the same settings and tap on No Blue Switchers next to Dual Apps. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!